B is for biology. Beep, beep, beep. Ba, 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 bee. Biology is the study of living things like bugs in a tree. With a magnifying glass or a microscope, let's have fun looking at living things we see. Little kid scientist, that's me. B is for biomes, which are environments where living things play. Desert, rain, forest, tundra, yay. Some are dry, some are wet, some are cold, but every home helps living things grow. In the forest, frogs go boing. In the ocean, fish go swish. In the grassland, birds go tweet. Learning science is super neat. Biology. Biomes. Big living things in their homes. Biology. Biomes. I learn, I laugh, and I shout, let's go! Roots in the dirt, leaves in the sun. Tiny seeds grow into trees, how fun. A bee on a flower trying to pollinate. A mole underground. Every little creature makes our world go round. In the wetland, reeds will sway. Endangered birds and animals will splash and play. In the desert biome, lizards and snakes will bask in the sun. In the Arctic, male king penguins will huddle together to protect their eggs until the females return from hunting and the snow melts from the sun. Biology is the study of all living things and their roles in the food chain, from the plant cells and animal cells to the characteristics that make up a lion's mane. Biology. Biomes. Big living things in their homes. Biology. Biomes. I learn, I laugh, and I shout, let's go! I can form lots of questions today. I can help protect my environment so it can continue to look this way. Using all my senses, I can learn about the different environments around me. I can learn about all living things, from large mammals, small reptiles, to living organisms like protozoa under a microscope where you can only see. I can name and learn about the living things that grow. There will always be something to learn and know. From burrow to branch, from Arctic to ranch, from pond to desert sand. Science is all around us. Every living creature can lend a helping hand. Biology. Biomes. Big living things in their homes. Biology. Biomes. I learn, I laugh, and I shout, let's go! Biology. Biomes. B is my favorite word to know.